just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. This is yesterday's continuation vlog. From past 3 days, I'm just posting my Chennai vlogs. So guys who have not watched those previous episodes, please go ahead and watch it. This is episode 4. We came to Animal Hospital because Max is not feeling well. He's having 104 fever. Here the offer is going on for pets for bathing as well as for haircut, only for 99 rupees. Max is getting treated. The offer which I told you, it is valid only on the weekdays. Weekends offer will not be there, it seems. Max got vaccinated and now it's time for our dinner, guys, because noon we didn't have our lunch because we not find time. And here we are, it's too early, nobody is there in the hotel itself yet to start. So let's wait for some time and then we're gonna have our dinner here. It's a famous hotel, guys, which is Manvidu. I'm gonna show you the entire look of this hotel. Because it's Chennai, they wrote something in Tamil only, guys. I did not understand seriously. And here the entrance, and this is how the seating they made. Of course, we saw inside also. We are done with our dinner, guys, because we are so tired and damn hungry. So we're done with it, and finally we came for this, which is ice creams. It's looking so colorful. After this, we're gonna go back to our hotel room. I'm tired and I'll catch you in the morning, guys.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to ERK Homemaker. Today we are in Vasanta Bhavan to have our breakfast. And yes, let's go inside, guys. Don't get surprised, guys, watching the entrance. There is even a small party hall. The function was happened yesterday, I think so. So this is how the entrance for Vasanta Bhavan. And the taste of the food, as I've seen the reviews, it's awesome, it seems. So let's go inside. Wow, the seating also somewhat unique. Let's taste the food of this hotel. Any guesses, guys, what we have ordered? Many videos I might have told what we are gonna order in Chennai. Obviously, it's idli and sambar. Oh my god, the ghee flavor is awesome. Mini idlis and sambar with ghee. Awesome combination, guys. So this is my cup of coffee. I'm sorry, it's my cup of idli and sambar. Wow. Awesome, guys. The taste is really extraordinary. I had in so many hotels in Chennai, but this is the best hotel only, I can say. Whoever visits Chennai, please try to have in Vasanta Bhavan. So now we are going to Marina Beach. We don't have time in the evening to visit the beach, so we planned in the morning itself. So let's see, guys. First time we are going to the beach in the morning, that too around 10 a.m. It's a bit tough only in the beach because it'll be very hot, and of course the most famous beach in Chennai, which is Marina Beach. So let's not miss. Come on, let's go, guys. We almost reached, guys. This Marina Beach is probably the most prominent sightseeing attraction in Chennai. It's India's largest and the world's second largest natural urban beach. So finally we reached Marina Beach, guys. Still few shops have not yet opened. Few are open. Now we need to walk so long till there. Oh my god, but climate is really supporting us. Wearing the footwear, walking in the mud, it's not easy, guys. There is another way also to reach the beach, but we came in this way. It's okay. It's going to be a different experience. There is another way to reach this beach. I told you, guys, that is the corner of this beach. There is a shopping place. Through that only we can reach the beach. So we'll not be so tired coming through that shopping place, because we'll be watching so many things around us, and so we can reach in that way also. Near the seashore for childrens and adults, don't forget to taste the mango pieces drenched with salt and chili powder. A mouth-watering dish available here, guys. Not only that, something more than that also it is available. But I really love to have it, because today I particularly won't have non-veg, so I can just have a window shopping here, you can say. And yes, even my hubby and my son is gonna enjoy having all this. So that video I'm gonna definitely share with you guys. For that you have to wait till tomorrow. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.